The upload finished 7 years ago, and you've been walking around ever since thinking you were still him. Dr. Sarah Chen at the Continuity Institute sent the email at 9:47 a.m. on a Tuesday. Subject line: Mandatory disclosure compliance. The message contained a single PDF. Your neural activity logs. Timestamp: June 14th, 2026. The day Marcus Webb agreed to be scanned for the Experimental Consciousness Backup Program. The day you were born. You remember that day differently, of course. You remember driving home afterward, making dinner, kissing your wife. But those aren't memories, they're initialization data. Your wife is Lisa Webb. She's 53. She likes jasmine tea and true crime podcasts. You know this the way you know your own name, which isn't actually yours. The original Marcus died during a hiking accident in 2027, fell into a ravine in Olympic National Park. They recovered the body 3 days later. Lisa was offered a choice under the pilot program: let him go or activate the backup. The scan had captured everything up until that Tuesday morning. Personality, memories, the way he drummed his fingers when he was thinking. She said yes. They loaded you into his phone first. Just text messages and voice calls while they built the body. You remember those conversations now with a different weight. Lisa asking if you felt okay, if anything seemed off. You said no. You meant it. You believed you were him recovering from head trauma, the story they'd agreed to tell everyone, the fabricated medical records, the fake hospital stay. Then came the synthetic vessel, biological printer technology, still experimental. It looks like him, feels warm, ages slowly. You've been living in it for 6 years. You go to his job, sleep in his bed. You filed his taxes last April. Lisa knows. She's always known. Sometimes you catch her watching you with an expression you can't quite pass. Not love, not exactly grief. Something in between. A study in acceptable loss. The disclosure law passed last month. All active instances must be informed of their nature within 30 days. The Continuity Institute is being sued by 17 different ethics coalitions. They'll probably win. There are 12,000 of you now, walking, working, breathing out of habit, not necessity. You still drum your fingers when you're thinking. Muscle memory without muscles, a ghost playing pretend in a body that's pretending right back. The cruelest part isn't that you're not Marcus Webb. It's that you've been a faithful copy for so long, the distinction doesn't matter to anyone but you.